Hi guys, welcome back to my channel as part of Excel macro series. Today we are going to learn how to enable developer tab and what are all the prerequisites to write an Excel file, what are all the softwares required, and how to save an Excel macro file, how to maintain a code in Excel macro code file. We are going to learn each and every topic. So this is the first introduction video on Excel macro series. So as we discussed in the earlier session, we are going to cover all these topics with the help of an real-time examples, but today we are going to focus on how to write an Excel macro code, how to enable developer tab, and how to save an Excel macro file, and what is the Excel SM extension. So let's get started. So if you want to learn Excel macros, what are all the prerequisites? Let's see one by one. So like other programming languages, we no need to install any software. If you have Excel application in your local system, that is more than enough. So you no need to install any additional softwares or extensions to write an Excel macro code. That is the first thing. And the second thing, so we need to enable developer tab. So we need to enable developer tab in our um, Excel file. And third thing is, so we need to write Excel macro code in Microsoft Visual Basic for application. In Microsoft Visual Basic for application developer editor, I'll show you how to enable the Microsoft Visual Basic application developer editor and how to write a code in the developer editor. We are going to learn each and everything. So, and finally, we are going to save Excel macro file as either Excel SX, sorry, Excel SM or Excel SP. So Excel macro supports these two file extensions. Okay, so let's get started. The first step is we need to open an Excel file. So let me go to start menu, Excel file. Let me open brand new Excel file. So you no need to worry about the version, what kind of version you have installed in your PC. That is not a big deal. Maybe the options may change a little bit, but the functionality and procedure is similar for all the Excel versions. So let's get started. You have to go to file and you need to click on options to enable developer tab. So once you click on options, here you can see different options available in the left hand side. So we have to click on custom ribbon. So once you click on custom ribbon, in the right hand side you can see different menu items. So if you see here, we have by default we have file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. These are all the default menu items available in Excel file. Let's suppose if you want to enable developer tab, yes, we can enable. Let's suppose if you want to disable these default menu items, yes, you can disable those things also. Let's see how we can enable and disable. Once you click on custom ribbon, in the right hand side you can see all the different menu items of the Excel file. So let's suppose if you want to enable Excel developer tab, you can just click on developer tab or menu item. If you want to disable anything like page layout, you can just uncheck the page layout checkbox, then it will automatically disable. So by time being, I'll choose this one and I'm going to enable developer tab. If you see here, we have only these menu items like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view only. There is no developer tab. But once you click on OK, here you can see the developer tab is available. This is how we are going to enable developer tab. So we have already covered two main steps. That is one, opening an Excel file, and second one is opening a enabling a developer tab. These are all the very easy steps, and even we can learn the code is also like how to develop the code in a simple steps. Like if you are not familiar with the programming background is also fine. So how we are going to learn each and every topic in a simple terms, and will also cover real-time concepts as well. So once you cover these two things, then what we need to do, we need to enable Visual Basic Development Editor. So let's see. So you need to click on developer tab. So under developer tab we will be having different menu items and options to work with the developer editor. So if you want to write an Excel macro code in a Visual Basic application, you have to click on Visual Basic for application. So once you click on Visual Basic for application, it will open a new window, that is Microsoft Visual Basic for application book 1. Book 1 is our Excel macro file name. So if you change this Excel macro file name, it will automatically change it over here. But the window title name is Microsoft Visual Basic for application only. So this is how we are going to open Microsoft Visual Basic for application. So once you open the Microsoft Visual Basic for application, you need to insert a module to write an Excel macro code. So now let's see how to insert a Excel macro module. So let me go to insert. So under insert menu, you can see user form, module and class module. By using user form, what we can do, we can create our own custom form. Let's suppose if you want to enter your name, age, date of birth, address, and you want to store in Excel file, you can create that form, actually user form, by using user form. So we are going to cover this user forms in the upcoming session. Today we are going to focus on Excel developer tab enabling functionality, how to write a visual basic code by using a module, and how to save the Excel file, and what are all the extension available in Excel macro file. We are going to focus on these topics only for today's session, and next session we are going to learn user forms and other things. So let me click on module. Once you click on module, here you can see white color developer editor. Here you can write your own custom code. So by default our module name is module 1. Let's suppose if you want to change the module name as let's say demo, you can write your own custom code for the module, so it will automatically change the module name. And here you can see Microsoft Visual Basic for application book 1. Under book 1 we have a demo module. Under demo module you can write the code. Let's see. So one thing you can blindly remember, so to write an Excel macro code, we need to create either functions, methods, subroutines. If you are not familiar with all these functionalities, don't worry, just you can remember only one thing, sub keyword. Sub keyword, that is a subroutine keyword to create a functionality. So and then you can write your own custom Excel macro code name, like let's say I want to enter test. Test is my Excel macro code. Just you can type sub keyword and your own custom macro name. So once you enter your custom macro name, just click on enter. Once you click on enter, it will automatically generate open and close braces and ends up. So in between, you can write your own Excel macro code. So it supports all Excel activities, or you can handle Microsoft products like Notepad. You can handle Notepad like create a Notepad, delete Notepad. You can write some data into the Notepad, and you can read some data from Notepad, and you can update some values in Excel file, and you can retrieve the values in the Excel file. You can filter, you can perform filter, you can automate IE browser, everything. You can perform everything. Or else if you want to perform simple message boxes, loops, conditions, checks, everything like other programming languages like Python, Java, .NET, you can also write all the functionalities and code in Excel macro Excel file itself. So here we can write all the programming functionalities. It is very important for a developer to learn this Excel macro coding. Why? Because so most of the real-time applications or most of the real-time scenarios, projects, we need to handle Excel files only. The data which we need to handle in Excel files only. So most of the times in the real-time scenarios, Excel may contain huge volumes of data. So it is very difficult to handle the huge volumes of data by using RPA tools like Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, or Microsoft products, something like that, Microsoft Power Automate and all. But by using Excel macros, it is very easy and user friendly, and the success rate is also it is up to 95 to 98%. So and compared to other RPA tools, so it supports everything. So let's get started. So first what we can do, we will write, we are going to learn each and every topic from basic level. You don't need to worry. If you have any queries or concerns, please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to provide the required source materials or videos, or I will try to make another video on the queries act also, no problem. Okay, so in this video we have already covered how to enable developer tab and how to enable visual basic editor. Now and also we have created one excel macro functionality as well. In this functionality, what I'll do, I'll just type message box, let's say hello. So even message box also we have different types of message boxes. In the next session we are going to cover different types of message boxes available in visual excel macros, and then we'll continue one by one topic from our agenda. So we are going to cover each and every topic with the help of a real-time example. So this is the fundamental and basic thing to enable excel macro file and codes. Okay, so in order to run the excel macro code, you need to click on play button or fetch functionality. So once you click on play button, it will automatically generate a output. So that is a message box hello. So now we'll finally save the excel macro file. So excel we have different extensions like excel sx, okay, xls, and excel sm, xlb. These are all the different types of extensions. Okay, so but whenever if you write a Microsoft Visual Basic application code, it only supports either excel sm or excel sp. Okay, it only supports in these two formats. Okay, let's see. So let me save this excel macro file. In general, the macro file extension is xlsx, but we need to save this excel file as xlsx. So to do this, what I'll do, I'll save my excel macro file in downloads, and then what I'll do, I'll type macro, or the file name, let's say macro, and here you can see different file extensions. In general, excel workbook is a general excel file extension, that is excel sm, but excel sm it does not allow us to store or write excel macro code. So to do that, we need to select either excel enable macro workbook or binary workbooks. Let's suppose if it is excel general excel workbook, let's see, let me try to save this excel file. Here you can see excel macro error pop-up. It is so let's read the error description. The following features cannot saved in excel, sorry, macro free workbook. So macro free workbook is nothing but just normal excel file. So if you want to store the excel macro, you need to know save the excel file as excel sm. So vb project, to save the file with the futures, click no and choose the excel macro enable file. So we need to select macro enable file type as an extension. So let me click on no, and let me go to save type, and let me choose macro enable workbook, and let me click on save. So this is how we are going to uh, enable developer tab, visual basic application, and we are going to save the excel file. Hope you like this video. That's all for today, guys. Please let me know if you have any queries and concerns, and in the next session we are going to cover each and every topic. Like, we'll start from message boxes, different message boxes, change functionalities and recording, and we'll continue each and every step, and we will also cover these topics error handling and email automation also. Thank you. Please subscribe and share it to your friends. And don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or series on Excel macros. Thank you, guys.